So in this pot filled with soil, I had just dumped few jamun seeds that I had eaten, and I didn't bury the seeds completely with soil as if I wanted to plant it, but nevertheless the seeds have germinated and the seedlings have been formed. So not intentionally grown jamun plants, but I'm okay. I will let them grow and maybe transplant them when they reach a ideal height. So this shows that even if you don't bury the seeds completely in the soil, because of moisture and correct conditions, the seeds have germinated. This also shows that the soil has a lot of microbial and other creatures that have acted on the seed coat, weakened the seed coat, outer covering of the seed, and it has helped the seed to absorb water, crack open, and the radicle and the plumule have got a chance to grow. Rains play a very important role in this process of natural seed germination and also to soften the seed coat. Now, what is also very interesting that I wanted to show is, as you can see, one seed has multiple shoots growing from it. So one seed, one plant is not the case here. One seed, many plants. But these plants are actually clones or twins. This is referred to as polyembryony. It is a rare phenomenon where more than one embryo develops in a single seed. Two or more genetically identical or varied seedlings have emerged. Jamun is known to occasionally show this, or it could simply be that two seeds were fused together, and these are two separate seeds but fused together, or just adventitious shoots because there is moisture in the environment. Secondary shoots from the base have come up and it is appearing to be multiple plants. Whatever the case, it is interesting. So I will also talk about germination. Seeds like jamun, neem, peepal and banyan often germinate without burial, especially during monsoon. So what happens is rainwater soaks the seed coat, and also there is correct temperature and moisture that wakes up the embryo inside the seed. When the seed is not buried deep in the soil, there is more oxygen access and soil microbes help soften the outer coat. Now what happens inside is interesting. We don't see the magic that happens under the soil, right? Or what is happening inside the seed. First step or process is what is called imbibition or water absorption. So the dry seed drinks water, swells up, and all the enzymes are activated. Enzyme activation, the stored food, which is also called starch, in the seeds, it gets broken down into sugars, which feeds the growing embryo. The radicle is the first that emerges, which is also called the root tip. It anchors the plant, absorbs the nutrients from the soil, and then the plumule or the shoot tip comes. It breaks upward looking for light. This then eventually gradually becomes the stem and the leaves. So this is the entire process of seed germination. For initial days, the cotyledon, in case of dicots, there are two cotyledons, the seed leaves which provide the young plant, young seedling with all the energy, as they cannot do photosynthesis at this stage. Gradually this cotyledons or the seed leaves wither, dry and fall, and the leaves start to produce or make their own food with the help of sunlight, carbon dioxide, water. So in any seed there are two important parts. One is radicle, the embryonic root, and the other is plumule, the embryonic shoot, which grows upwards. We have also cotyledons, which is the food storage for the growing seedling. So this is how it happens.